Strong VPN VPN Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people assume all VPNs are equal, but Strong VPN claims to combine privacy, speed, and global server coverage in a single service. Strong VPN provides encrypted internet connections, protecting your data from hackers, ISPs, and government monitoring. One standout feature is its wide server network, with servers in over 35 countries, allowing access to geo-restricted content and secure browsing. Most people get this wrong. They assume free VPNs are enough. The surprising truth is that Strong VPN offers unlimited bandwidth, strong AES-256 encryption, and a no-logs policy, which ensures your activity remains private and secure. It also supports multiple devices and protocols, including OpenVPN and ICAV2, for flexibility and performance. Another advantage is simplicity. The apps are user-friendly across Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS, making setup fast. Strong VPN also allows simultaneous connections on multiple devices, which is perfect for families or small offices. However, there are considerations. While speeds are generally fast, performance may vary depending on server location and network congestion. Some advanced features found in other VPNs, like split tunneling or built-in malware protection, are limited. In conclusion, Strong VPN is a solid choice for users seeking privacy, secure browsing, and access to geo-blocked content. It's reliable, easy to use, and offers strong encryption, making it ideal for general online security. Subscribe for more honest VPN reviews before you protect your internet connection.